what are the, where are the power students? Sorry. What kind of powers are these? See, what are the powers we studied? Pradesh, can you see this? All of you, can you see the screen? Okay. So what are the kind of powers we studied, students? Positive powers, right? Like 5. Then we studied negative powers. If it is negative, how do you write it? 1 by a to the power of 5. Then we studied a to the power of 0 is 1. A to the power of nothing is 1. So that is a. Then we studied 4 to the power 1 by 2. Fraction powers, right? Hmm. How do you convert 4? 2 square into 2 square. So we used to cancel and get the answer. So these are the types of powers we study, right? Positive, negative, zero. Now, last type of power is variables. Variable in the sense you'll have an alphabet or a number. On power also you'll have alphabet or a number. Can you see this one? 211A, 83A. So we didn't study these type of questions, right? Where powers are alphabet. Okay. So yeah, now we have powers with alphabets. Right? Powers with alphabets. I'll teach you how to solve that. It's the same concept. The basic concept is, can you see 2 everywhere? Numerator. So convert even this 8. Convert even this 8 in terms of 2, factorize it. 2 4 the 2 to the power 3. There is already 3a, right? So you can't write 2 to the power 33a. Does it make sense if I write like this? No. So look here. Write 2 to the power of 3. There is already 3a. You can either write it like this, or you can straight away, directly write it like this. Clear? First step, into 2 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of 2a. Is the base 2 for everything? What about denominator? 4 can be written as, how do you make the base 2? 2 into 2 to the power of 11a into 2 to the power of minus 2. And the base is same. What about their sign? Multiplication. For multiplication, what do we do? Yes, add what? Add the. So take 2 outside. Look here. What if first multiply this? 3 3s is, you get 2 to the power of 9. I'll take 9a. For multiplication, put plus 5, right? No, no, do one thing. You can't add unlike term, students. See, remember this concept. You can add 3a plus 3a. You can add 3a plus 4a. But you can't add 3a plus 5. This is variable. And what about 5? 5 is a constant. So 3a plus 3a is how much? 6. 3a plus 4a is 7a. If I write 3a minus 5a, 3a is positive, 5a is negative. What is plus into minus? Minus. 5 plus, see, if I tell minus, it doesn't mean you have to put minus. That is wrong. Minus meaning subtraction. What is 5 minus 3? 2. Okay. So I have to write 2a. Then which is greater here? 5 is greater or 3 is greater? 5. Before 5, what is the sign we have? So put minus here. Understood? Minus 5a. If I write 3a minus 7a, 7a minus 3a. Look at the difference. Always, first you have to use plus minus concept. 3 is plus, 7 is minus. What is plus into minus? Minus meaning addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Subtraction is 7 minus 3 is how much? 4a. 7 is greater, so put that minus sign. What's the answer? minus 4a. But look at this. What is 7a minus 3a? 4a. Which is greater? 7. 7a is greater, so before that we have plus. Can you see the difference? Are they same? Are both same? No. The reason we got minus 4a was because of what? 7 was negative. Is this clear? All this were you learnt in 6th and 7th, addition and subtraction. Okay, so now based on that, look at this. Which one has alphabet and which one has number in the powers? These two has numbers, right? Alphabets, right? So first 2 to the power of 9a for multiplication. Arrange it like this: 2a into 2 to the power of 5. Next, here 2 to the power of 11a multiplied by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 2. Next, just take these two. These are the like terms. So I'll take 2 outside. 9a for multiplication plus 2a. Is it clear? Divided by 2 11a for multiplication for plus, and it is minus 2a, right? You can write it in bracket or you can straight away write what is plus into minus? Minus 2a. I'll write it directly. So don't get confused. Starting we have for multiplication plus into minus is minus 2a into 2 square. Next, 9 plus 2 is how much? 11a into 2 to the power of 5 divided by 11 minus 2a is 9a into 2 to the power of 2. Is it clear till here? First go through what I've done. So the last step is important. I'll teach you all. First go through. Don't just sit and copy. You're just copying here. You won't understand. Later you won't know how to solve it. So first go through. Then later you'll try to do it. I'll show you the last step. If you'll understand this, this is the last concept we have. And that's it. This chapter will get done. Okay. We got the answer. Can you see multiplication? Both the base are same. I'll take 2a. And what do I do with the powers? Plus 3. Are we getting the answer? This is bit lengthy, students. Next, I'll teach you a direct method. Within 3 steps you'll get. First complete this. This is step by step calculation until you have to do it directly. Completed? All of you done? Yeah, response students completed, right? Okay, see here, you don't have to write this. What you can do is, instead of writing all these three steps, look, first step, what did we do? First step, you have to check whether the powers are constant or variable. In this question, is it constant or variable? No. First, we need to check the powers, whether it is constant or variable. This question, all the powers, there are variables as well, right? Okay, I've circled, there are variables as well. So first convert it to make the base same, 2 for everything. Next, look at this step. After this step, take 2 common. Tell me the numbers, alphabets 9a plus 2a, and for multiplication plus 5 divided by 2 into 11a, plus into minus 6. Okay, plus into minus 6, minus 2a plus. Now, how are these two 2's related? Are they base same or different? Are the base same or different? Same. If the base is same and if there is division, look here, 2a plus 2a plus 5, put minus and take this entire thing, 11a minus 2a plus 2. Why did I take minus? Because it is division, right? Now let me open the bracket. What is 9a plus 2a? 11a plus 5 minus in bracket. What is 11 minus 2? 9a plus. Next, 11a plus 5. If you open the bracket, what do you get, students? Minus 9a, minus into plus, minus 2. Solve this, check what you'll get. Is it the same answer? How much is 11 minus 9a? 2a. And 5 minus 2 is? 5 minus 2 is plus 3. Same answer. So you can even do it like this. Whatever you can take. Concept is important. First go through that. Yeah, you can complete it. Yes. Fine. Completed. Okay. So you can reduce the number of steps and solve, students. You can, if you understood the concept, you can try to complete within 3 to 4 steps. You can do it directly. Look at the next one. Was any question cancelled here? Okay. 8th में how many questions you'll have? Look at this question. Now, look, always target plus and multiplication, division, students. See, plus is given here, which means this entire thing is one term, this is second, this is third term, and this is fourth term. So the terms are separated using plus and minus. Wherever there is plus and minus, just imagine there are 4 different questions. That's it. 4 different questions. Okay, look at the first one. 3 as it is multiplied by, okay, 2, 7, 2 to the power 7n plus 1 plus. How do I write 9? How can we write 9? 3, no, 3 square, not 3. 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 into 3 and minus. Okay, this is 27n plus 1, right? 27n plus 1. How do I write 27, students? See, this is 27. 3 cube, write it in bracket, n plus 1 as it is. Is this clear? Divided by 8 is given. Is it 8 there? How do I write 8? So numbers, don't change it. Numbers, if there's only number, just keep it as it is, students. Here, even here, I'll keep 9 as it is. Yes, all of you will respond. 8 as it is, 3 to the power of 3n minus 5 as it is. How do you convert 27? 3, and there's already n outside, right? Next, 3 into 3, multiply this, see, multiply it like this, 3 into n plus 1. What is 3 into n plus 1? 3n plus 3 ones are, so it becomes 3n plus 3. Clear? Next, plus 9 into 3 into 3n minus 1. See, I'll write it as 3 square itself. Divided by 8 into 3 to the power of 3n minus 5 into, and when you multiply this, what do you get? 3 into n is 3n. Is this clear? First go through this, students. Let me know whether you understood. Understood? Wait, let me check the question. 3 to the power of 3a. No, don't write it. This would be lengthy. Don't write this. Wait. Yes, Erin, you can leave. Just go through this recording. Yes, bye. You can leave. See, when I write 3, tell me. Recording. Channel. I'll send you, Pradesh. I'll send you the link. You didn't know? Okay. Because I only upload on YouTube, so there's no other way I can send you all the recording. Okay. I'll send you the channel. Later you can just check once. I thought you knew. Okay, look at this. 3 to into 27. Now before that, if I write 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of n, are the base same for both? Are the base same? Take 3. What about the powers? What do you do with the powers? 3 plus? You should know even the reverse of this, students. Whenever the power has 3 plus or some value to the other, take base 3 and you can split this into two parts. 3 to the power of 3 is 1, and for addition, put multiplication 3 to the power of n. You should know both. You should know how to convert and you should know how to split it. Okay, if I write 4 to the power of n multiplied by 4 square, how do I write it together? Oh no, 4n plus 2. When base is same and we have a number and an alphabet, how do you split it? 4 to the power of n. For addition, what do you put? Multiplied by 2. Is this clear? Okay, this is how you solve it. You have to split into two parts and solve. Now, keep this in mind. Based on this, we are going to do a question. First, 27 is given. How can I write 27? 3 to the power of 3. This n plus 1 I'll write 10 bracket plus 9 as it is. 3 to the power of 3n minus 1. What about 27? 3 to the power of 3. Then there's an n, right? No, no, numbers don't convert. See, did I convert any of the numbers? No, no, listen. Don't convert the numbers. Okay? Don't convert numbers. Now, I'll tell you. Don't convert numbers. Keep it as it is. Now, when you open the bracket, what do you get? 3n plus not 1. 3 is getting multiplied. 3 plus 9 as it is. 3n minus 1. What is, okay, this remains as it is. What is 3 into n? 3n. Okay, so first step I've just opened it. Is this clear? Did you understand? Sorry, minus 1, yes. Not minus 1. 3 to the power of 3n minus, correct? Now, I'll keep 3 as it is, multiplied by. When there are two values, how did I tell you to split, students? I can write 3 to the power of n multiplied by to the power of 2. If I use product law, doesn't it become like this? So this is what I told you. You should learn both, how to convert and how to merge both. Next, plus 9 into, here when you will convert 3n. For minus, what do I put? For addition, I put plus. Multiplication, when there is subtraction, you have to put division. 3 to the power of 1. Is this clear? Now, the reason I split here, students, the reason I split was, can you see all the power which has only variable I took common? Can you see? They are same. 3 to the power of 3n, 3n. So how many 3 to the power of 3n is there in the numerator? 2. Oh no, 1 minute. In numerator, I'm just talking about numerator, students. 2. Look here. From numerator, I'll take 3n common. If I take out 3n common, apart from 3n, what are the other numbers there? 3 into 3 cube plus 9 divided by, yeah, just take out the numbers. Apart from that, whatever is there, just write it. Denominator, 3 to the power of 3n. And what is left? 8 minus 5. That's it, right? Because the common numbers I have taken out. See, I've put a box. Imagine those numbers are not there. Can you see the other numbers? That is what I've written. That is what I've written, right? No, is it clear or not, student? If not, I'll explain again. The reason I took 3 and 3 to the power of 3 is, now see, it gets cancelled. So what is the number left? 3 into, what is 3 cube? 27 plus 9 divided. Okay, you can do this directly. What is 9 divided by 3? 9 divided by 3 is how much? 3. Divided by 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, so 3 into 27 plus 3. Add this and divide by 3, you'll get the final answer. 3 into 27. 3 sevens are 21. 3 twos are 6, 7, 8. 81 plus 3. 84 divided by 3. The answer is 28. Can you check the answer in textbook? Is it 28? Hmm. So observe the numbers too. What's the first thing I did? Whichever power had variable and numbers. Can you see? This had variable and numbers. So look at the way I've converted them. The reason we convert is to take out common and so that we can cancel it. Look, after taking out, we can cancel them like this. It's completed. I'll give you 5 minutes. First go through whatever I've done. Any doubts? Let me know. Jovino. What is the difference between this and other question? In the beginning I explained. Doesn't it have variable? So whichever has variable, only then you can apply this. I will return all of you will complete it. I'll teach again. I'll teach all again. Okay, shall I do it again? Yeah, look at the screen, students. Look at the screen. Stop writing. Did you understand the first step? How to split? Mute the call. 27. Next, keep 3 as it is. Into. When you multiply, what do you get? 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 ones are 3. And here, minus. Is this clear? Second step. All of you will respond. Next one. Whenever the powers have variable and numbers. Which power has variable and number here? Yes, tell me. Yeah, 3n plus 3. Yeah. Can you see these two? Right? So whenever there is variable and power, look here, I'll write it here. You should know how to split it, students. Take 3 as it is, 3n. For plus, what do you put? If it is plus, you have to put multiplication. This is how you have to split it. If you use product law, doesn't it become like this? If you use product law, right? So we'll solve only 2 questions today. Only these two, practice it. Next, look at 3 into 3 to the power of 3n multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 into, what do we have? 9 plus 9 into. Yes, all of you will respond. How do I split this? 3 to the power of 3n. If it is minus, what should I put? Division. 3 to the power of 1 is 3. Okay, 3n minus 5 into 3n. Did you understand this part? The reason I split is why did I split, student? Because there is power and variable and constant, right? Variable and constant. Now if you observe, can you see the only the variable part? Can you see only the variable, the power which has only variable? Everything is 3n, right? So I have to take out so that I can cancel it. See here, 3n if I take out, what is left in the numerator? Apart from that, what are the other numbers left? 3 into 9 divided by 3. Power 1 just ignore. Denominator if I take 3n, why did I take out 3? See, from the beginning if you'll observe, students, I was just targeting variable 3 to the power of 3n. The reason is, can I cancel them so that I get a proper value? Joven understood? So whenever the power has variable and constant, then we use. What about Pradesh? Is Pradesh online? 3 to the power of, what is 3 cube, students? 3 cube is 27 plus 9 divided by 3. 3 into 27 is 81. See, just because I took 3 and outside, are we able to get a number? Final answer as the number? That's it. So only 2 questions completed. No class tomorrow and Sunday. Again, I'll conduct on Monday. And on indices, I'll give you all 5 questions, students. Okay, I'll send you a test paper. You have to complete and send it. Okay, fine. Yes, for Pradesh, only indices. For other students, indices and simultaneous linear equation. You'll revise that. I'll send the paper on, yeah, tomorrow evening. You all can complete it. Just a minute. Have you done it? Okay, for Pradesh, it is only indices. Okay, and for others, simultaneous linear equation and indices together. Whatever you have done so far, it will be offline test. I'll send you all the paper. You have to complete and send it. Okay, if you all have done, you all can leave, students, or those who are still copying can complete it. Again on Monday. Next class will be on Monday. Yes, bye, students. Yes, bye. You all can. Yes, bye, all of you all.